Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay, and in today's video we're going to look at how to make money on YouTube in 2020. No, sorry, 2022. A little bit behind in the past there, but what it is, guys, I've got multiple YouTube channels. Some are monetized, some are not. But my main one, which is Movies, Games, Beyond, this one is my biggest earner now, and it's also the one that gives me the biggest headache. What I say by that is because I spent a lot of time creating videos what were like slideshows with just text on it. I didn't put a voiceover on it. I made some with those robotic voices, those AI voices, yeah. And although you can get some good quality products now that have AI voices, I seem to still struggle. YouTube demonetized me, and they say that it looks like I'm mass producing videos and I'm using like AI voices and robot, like it says all the things that we us YouTubers are scared of. Yeah. So then what I have to do then, I have to go down, delete some of my videos, create more videos like with the same titles, but put my voiceover on it. Yeah. Now, as you can see, my last videos now are all, they've all, if you check them out, they've all got my voice on. Yeah. But because I'm sick to death, and it happens a lot, guys, I get demonetized. Yeah. Look like this one here. It's just like a slideshow with a bit of text on it. Yeah. And this one here, again, same. I don't recommend it, guys. I can't speak for every YouTuber. I'm just going off what I've learned. I'm trying to be transparent with you guys, as always. If you check some of my other videos, I show Movies, Games, Beyond. I show my other channels. But this is my biggest earner. But it's also my biggest headache because, like I said, YouTube don't like videos what look like similar. They don't like it when you've not got your voice on it. They don't like it when you've not got like your little bit of an intro, a little bit of an outro. So what I recommend, guys, going forward, if you want to start YouTube, and if you do, I've got a link in the description for a course that it's very cheap, and it's not my course. It's someone I've learned off. Very recommended. But what I'm trying to get at, guys, is use your own voice. Yeah, you don't have to show your face. Just get a microphone and use your own voice. Also, make a little bit of an intro, make a little bit of an outro, just so that it breaks it up a bit, so all your videos don't look the exact same. Because with this one, like I said, just looks like slideshows. I'm talking about different movies, and although in the videos I'm talking different videos, but if you've not got your voiceover, it looks like you're just making you're using like an app or a program that's just making loads of videos. Bit like what Vidnami used to do, and I love Vidnami. Gutted it went, but you could produce videos. You could produce loads of videos, couldn't you? Very quick, and YouTube don't like that. Yeah, it worked for a while, but now I think they're clamping down because, like I said, they demonetize me. I make loads of new videos with my voiceover, and then about a month after, I get demonetized again. So I've got to delete more videos, recreate those videos with my own voiceover again, and then I upload them, and then I apply for monetization. I get accepted straight away. It gets to like another month, and then I get demonetized again because of the same thing. They said I'm like using a product or something like that. So then I scroll down to my older videos, I recreate it, but with my own voiceover. I delete that one, and then I upload it again. And that's what I'm doing at the moment, guys. I'm constantly remaking the old videos, trying to get YouTube off my back, basically. Because this is look, I've got 20,000 subscribers. I don't get that many views at the moment because I'm not slowly putting new ones on. But I'm just trying to help. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to help you. Hopefully, you will take my advice or look into it a bit more. But this is from my opinion. Other YouTubers might be using AI voices, and they might be doing good. I don't know, but I've invested in lots of different programs. I've used lots of different programs to make videos and help with videos, so then I didn't have to sit here talking and showing my face, etc. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more, feel free to come and check it out. I show, look, in this one, I show movies, games, beyond as well, YouTube goals, my Etsy earnings. I talk about Amazon KDP. I talk about how to make money with different video softwares like Create Video and I don't know. There's lots of different ones, guys. Canva, yeah, look, Video Creator. What Vidnami was on there, but no longer. Create Video, yeah. So top app if you want to make animation videos. But yeah, guys, if you feel free to check it out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Until next time, guys. It's only a small channel. This channel's not monetized. It's got the subscribers, it's just not got the watch time yet. Hopefully, I'll get that this year. But until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.